In this video, we will see how easy it is to perform an EMI pre-compliance measurement without a shielded chamber using the Spectran V6 Eco-Spectrum Analyzer from Aaronia. In this mission, the antenna has already been calibrated, so its performance is fully taken into account. That calibration is then applied to the Spectran V6 Eco, so the analyzer receives the best possible accuracy. A sweep block is used to scan across the frequency range of interest. In this example, the suspected emissions lie between 520 MHz and 700 MHz. A separate block is used to measure the background noise and remove it from the final result. The processed results are then displayed in the spectrum block. To take a closer look at the measurement setup, click the pencil icon in the ribbon bar at the top to open the block graph editor. Because we are not using a shielded chamber, some external signals occasionally appear in the measurement. At the moment, the spectral background mask is in bypass mode. That means all signals are passed through without any subtraction or masking. First, we will take a reference measurement. Here, you can see the available traces, clear right, max hold, and the EMI limit lines. We will use the quasi-peak trace as the basis for our reference. Right-click the quasi-peak trace and select Add to Reference. A blue line appears, representing the typical noise floor in this environment without a chamber. Next, switch the spectral background mask into recording mode so it can characterize the background noise. In the spectral background mask section, click Mode and select Record. Let the measurement run for a while so that enough data points are gathered to determine the average noise floor. Once there is sufficient data, switch the mode from Record to Mask. Click Mode again and choose Mask Max to create and apply the background mask. This subtracts the recorded spectrum and improves the effective noise floor by roughly 20 dB compared to the previous measurement. Now, turn on the device under Test. As soon as it powers up, 3 spurious signals appear at around 550 MHz, 650 MHz, and 675 MHz. These spurs were not present in the reference spectrum, which is shown by the blue line. While the device continues to boot, the spectrum stabilizes. We now see 3 clear frequencies at approximately 563 MHz, 625 MHz, and 650 MHz, exceeding the recorded noise floor. In the table below the trace, you can see how these emissions compare to the limit lines. One of the frequencies exceeds the limit by about 7 dB. The spur at 625 MHz exceeds the limit line by roughly 4 dB, indicated by the green limit line. It is now clear that these spurious signals originate from the device under test. Next, turn off the device under test. Watch the traces and confirm that the noise floor drops back down. After the device is switched off, the spectrum returns to the expected background level below the blue reference line. This demonstrates how to use the spectral background mask to perform an EMI pre-compliance measurement by calibrating the ambient environment, even without an EMI chamber. For more information, check out our other videos on our YouTube page or visit AaroniaUSA.com.